Hi everyone, nice to see you again, and today we're gonna start writing JavaScript. So what we need for that is a code editor, and we're gonna use VS Code as our editor of choice. And in order to use VS Code, what you need to do is just to download it. So just write download VS Code on Google, and then you will be redirected to the link to download VS Code here, and choose your operating system. And then after downloading it, what you need to do is just to install VS Code from the downloads. And right after installing VS Code, in order to use it, you have the option on Windows to just right click on a folder and open the folder with VS Code. And you can also open it from the command line interface, and then from there you can just do code followed by a dot. And last but not least, you can open a folder in VS Code just by dragging the folder and dropping it on VS Code. So here are a few extensions for VS Code that I would recommend for our JavaScript journey. So first is ESLint. ESLint analyzes our code, which would help us quickly find problems so we can troubleshoot them and prevent them from happening. So our second extension is Prettier. Prettier will help us format our code so that it looks like how it should. And the next one is Coca.js. So Coca.js will enable us to run our codes from VS Code. That would help us easily get the result of our functions or see the output of our code. And last but not least is Live Server. So as we're going to use JavaScript for the web, we will need the web page to be opened. So Live Server help us to have a live preview of what we are coding and results in real time. So that's it for this video, guys. So see you in the next video. Bye.